One question is I can't help but to notice some people on the plant-based diet seem really thin and almost malnourished, while others are well built. What is separating them? Are some just not meant to be vegan? Very sensitive question here. Something that, you can lose subscribers over this, like I care. But the reality here is, does every single animal here eat the same diet? Does even Earth, which is very akin to us, does it even consume the same things throughout the year? Doesn't it have like a seasonal thing going on, right? So what I propose is a seasonal diet, right? And all of that is based on your own, so many different integers. That's why you got to listen to your body. You got it could be a yin and a yang thing with your body. You could have been a vegetarian for a long period, and then your body says, okay, I don't want to do this anymore. I need to yang it out. And you got to be prepared with your body to not be stuck in some kind of program or dogma, and listen to your body and saying, okay, I guess I got to, go in because my body is saying to do this. So I'm just saying, for the record, no, there is not one diet for everyone. No, it is not that all human beings are vegetarians and should be only vegetarians and all of that. I used to believe that because I was a vegetarian. So anybody who, first of all, even being a vegetarian is a challenge when you're coming off of eating meat. So of course, you're going to remove every single thing from your mind. You're going to demonize meat. This is a way of staying away from it. Like, let's imagine if you quit, smoking weed. Let's just use an example. You're going to have to demonize weed at that point. You're going to have to say, yep, weed is really bad for everyone. Weed, it's the devil's lettuce. And it removes much of your brain cells. So you're going to keep reinforcing yourself with this so that way you don't go back to smoking weed. It's a process of you recovering from something to choose to do something else. But now, is that the truth, though? I saw somebody saying the other day, it's like, yeah, we're not supposed to be drinking milk. We weren't made to drink milk. So you're telling me if we arrive about 1,000 years ago into India and you tell them that they cannot drink milk, that's going to fly? Not to mention your problems with milk. You may be lactose intolerant, right? You may get nightmares. You may get swelling up of your bones. But is that happening to everyone? No. So we have to use common sense with this kind of stuff and realize that what's most important is for you to be healthy. And we've talked about how the vegetarians are on the wrong diet and the meat eaters are generally on the wrong diet. The vegetarians are, vegging out on oxalates, all this kale. They got a whole table full of kale. And then also these dogmas that are created, like, newsflash, plants eat meat. Plants eat meat. In the soil, there's so many worms, microorganisms, even carcasses from dead insects that the plant is chewing up to make the plant. So, and then there's another one that animals want to live. Trees do too. Trees know when fire is coming. Trees know when they're being chopped. So again, getting out of the dogmas and just saying, are you honoring it? The rules here are, when you consume something, the life that you're living is whether you're honoring it or, what's the term I'm looking for here? Disgracing it. Okay, so meaning that if you just cycled something's existence or life, right? Because this is all a cycle. You will be consumed too. You're being consumed right now. There are things that you're being consumed by, and you're also regenerating. This neophytes are sometimes oblivious to this. They don't even get the communion, the hunt, all of those kind of things, and why they've been a part of our culture since we've gotten here. Since the creation. And then you get others that just want to redo the creation. They just like, well, that's what we did wrong. Now to insist that the algorithm is wrong. You see what I mean? So this just is a slippery slope of madness. It's about being stable and aware of what's going on around you and inside of you, and then making the choices and the decisions based on how you're honoring and your integrity and your values. Okay?